Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to generate an API access token in Smartsheet. All right, start by opening up your Smartsheet account. And then once done, just go ahead over to the bottom left. Here we have your profile. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on Personal Settings. Now in here, in the left panel, again, click on API Access. And then just go ahead and click on the blue button that says Generate New Access Token. Click on it. And it says here, to be able to generate an access token or API access token, you must first have the upgraded version of Smartsheet. Okay? So just basically click on Generate New Access Token, give it a name, follow the simple prompts, and once done, in no time, you'll have your API access token. Just click on Copy. And make sure to save it on a safe place, because when you copy it and close the prompt, the access token will be grayed out. Okay. And that is how you generate an API access token in Smartsheet. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.